Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be posting my first recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make easy homemade catfish pepper soup. You know that pepper soup that is perfect for the cold weather? This is it. Add in some chopped onions to water in a pot, bring to a boil and allow to simmer for a few seconds. Add in some Cameroon pepper, then add in your scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a good stir. Then add your seasoning cubes, a little bit of salt, add the pepper soup spice. Pepper soup spice is just everything in this recipe. It takes the soup to a whole new level. Then I added cayenne pepper for extra spice and flavor. I just love my pepper soup extra spicy, but you don't. At this point, you add your already washed catfish. To prevent your catfish from breaking during the cooking process, pour hot boiling water on the fish after washing it. It removes all the slime from the fish. Add some chopped yam. The yam is totally optional. It depends on your taste and preference. I love adding yam because it gives it another flavor, and I can also have it as a whole full meal. Give it a good stir again. Cover and allow to cook until the yam is soft enough. Our pepper soup is ready. That was easy, right? At this point, I usually add in some scent leaf to give it that authentic Nigerian pepper soup flavor. But on this day, I could not get scent leaf, so I had to just make do with what I have. I added some parsley flakes after turning off the heat to give it a better depth of flavor, and it was super flavorful. My god. Are you going to be trying out this recipe? If yes, drop a comment in the comment section on how your experience was while trying out this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Don't enjoy this recipe alone. No, everybody deserves a treat.